Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a Gusto account in 2025. Now in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to create your Gusto account from scratch. So if you're a business owner getting ready to run payroll, to offer benefits, or to manage your team more easily, this is the first step to getting everything set up the right way. So I'm gonna show that to you. Let's get started. Now, for step one, you got to go to gusto.com. So first thing first, open up your internet browser and head over to gusto.com. Now, this is the Gusto official website. So once you're here, look for the Get Started button that's at the top right corner of the page, and then click that to begin the sign up process. Step two is to sign in with your email. Now that you'll be asked to enter your business email address and to create a password. So make sure that you use an email that you regularly check. Now, Gusto will send important updates and account information here, so you want to make sure that that's an account that is very much active. So for the password, pick something strong that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, because security is key when dealing with payroll and financial data. So you can't be secure enough. You got to make sure that you have everything done and you're not slacking anywhere. Now, step three is to answer basic business information. So next, Gusto will ask you a few questions about your business. Now, you're gonna need to enter your company name. You're also gonna need to choose how many people that you plan to pay, including yourself if you're an owner. And you're gonna select what you'll be using Gusto for. So things like payroll, hiring, or benefits. Now, these questions help Gusto to tailor your dashboard and recommend features that are relevant to your specific needs. Step 4 is to finalize account creation. So once all the information is filled in, just go ahead and click the Create My Account button. Now, Gusto will save your information and set up your new account, and you're going to be taken to your dashboard where you can start customizing your company profile or linking your bank accounts, as well as to prepare for run payroll. So yeah, that's it. You've successfully created your Gusto account. So from here, you are ready to move on to setting up your company profile and getting everything ready to pay your team and such. And if you found this video useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and to check out the next tutorial where we'll walk you through completing your company setup in Gusto. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.